Hey guys, it's Drea. Today I have another really quick and dirty video for you. This is all about glowy skin, but it's oily skin. So us oily girls, you know, we want to follow trends, especially the whole glowy skin trend. A lot of the time we have it a little bit easier because our skin is naturally very glowy in terms of the oil that comes through, but a lot of the time it's not the most attractive glow. So, you know, there's a lot of blotting and repowdering going on. But there are some products I think that do kind of assist in giving you that really beautiful glow from within type skin that actually work on oily skin. So we're going to talk about those today. I have 3 here in front of me. Now my skin right at this very moment is not all that glowy because I wanted to on camera show you how this product works. This is a favorite of mine. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So this is a setting spray. It can be used to make eyeshadows wet. It can be used to make your skin glow. It can be used to kind of make all the makeup on your face meld together so it doesn't look so powdery. It can definitely take away that powdery look. It's just a really versatile, really good product, and it definitely adds a glow. So if you are oily, you know that usually you need a setting spray on your face, especially in the summer, especially if you're going to be wearing this makeup for a very long time. So a lot of the time what I like to do is I like to use like one of my mattifying setting sprays, like, you know, for example, All Nighter, and I'll put it all over my face. But then if I want my cheeks to glow especially, I will just kind of try to target Fix Plus in the areas that I want that. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So we're just going to kind of like hold it a little bit further away from the face just so it doesn't go like everywhere, and I'm just going to kind of target it right here. Now I can do this pretty easily because I've done it 1,000 times, but if you haven't, you can just, you know, take a piece of paper or take something and just kind of like block it off if you don't want certain parts of your face to be touched. That's just a little trick, but I'm just gonna do this right on my cheeks. Alright, so I zoomed you in so you could see a little bit better, but I think you can kind of see just now that there is a real glow to the way my cheeks look, the way my skin looks, and that's really due to the Fix Plus. It kind of like melds all the powderiness together, you know, the actual foundation, the powder on top, the blush, the highlight, everything, and it just starts to make you look like you have that glow from within. I really want to talk about a foundation in this video because I think that really is the basis of where glowy skin comes from if you're not going, you know, obviously like foundation free. And there are a lot of foundations that I could have included, to be honest, in this video, but I wanted to feature this one because I feel like this is a really nice lightweight foundation. It definitely is a medium finish. It lets your own skin kind of come through, but it does add a definite glow, and it's not very matte. So I want to talk about this. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Makeup. Now, if you're oily, you know Estee Lauder Double Wear is kind of like a holy grail for a lot of us oily skin girls because it's like ultra, ultra matte. This is not. This is not even a very similar formula to the actual Double Wear foundation. So this is definitely medium coverage, not full coverage, and like I said, it has that glowiness factor to it. So this is what I'm wearing on my face today. This, I will say this, I would not wear this if you were going like a full work day and you expected your makeup to like last all day long. To me, this gives me the skin look that I really like, but I would only use it if I'm going out at night, if I'm going to an event, if I'm going to a bar, if I'm like just doing like a 4 to 5 hour makeup sesh. But if I was doing like an 10 to 12 hour like workday makeup, I wouldn't use this because it will eventually, your oils will kind of break through it, but I still love it for oily skin for those short periods of time. Like I think it works really well. It still allows you to have that glow, that really beautiful skin that just like looks like you're beaming from within, but it doesn't break down in the short term. Last product is this. This is a really versatile, kind of interesting, cool product. This is from Becca. It's the Shimmering Skin Perfector Poured, and this one is in the shade Opal. This comes in so many different shades that if you have a different skin tone than mine, you can still use this product in the shade that suits you. But basically this is a liquid highlighter. So there you can see it on my hand, kind of blended out. You can use this in a couple different ways. So you can actually mix this in with the foundation. If you have one mattifying enough that you think you could mix kind of a more glowy product into it and it would still work for you, that would be fine. I don't necessarily love to do that because I do find my skin is so oily that if I take any of the mattifying properties out of a foundation, it just doesn't work as well. So what I like to do with this is I like to actually apply it on top of my foundation, and I just blend it out with a beauty blender. So it is underneath this highlight today. So I usually apply it kind of at the top of my cheeks here and then kind of up in this area here as well. So it really does give that real glow from within, because it's not like a highlighter sitting on top of your skin. You put it on after your foundation, blend it out, and then you can even add powder on top and it's still going to shine through and give you that really nice glow. So there you have it. There are 3 glowy products that work for oily skin. I hope that this really helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.